Yo peeps, how's it going there? I just wanted to show you my very unique setup here that I don't think anybody's really ever done before. Don't mind my little bit of a mess. My dog's, she's a Husky Lab German Shepherd cross. She's only 7 months old. My baby boy, everybody knows Chewmeister. This is my newcomer. Her name is Gila, which is black bear in my First Nation language. But anyway, as I'm going to continue now, is this black hose that's connected to my larger tent. I'll get to inside here in a minute. That is connected to this 2x4 tent, and I'm using this as a flowering tent. And there is known strategies on connecting both of them together, because this one here is my lemon Z Kittless. I'll show you how she looks right now. It's about 2 feet by 1 foot tall, and each bud is literally huge, as you can see. They're monstrously long, like the length of my middle finger. This is being connected in this one, so this is getting sucked air pulled in. And that is going into this bigger tent. And this bigger tent has my VivoSun VS 4300 grow lights. 2 of them. And a mother plant that's in a 25-gallon planter pot. This is the tropical environment, and this one is my nutrient finishing environment. Which is a highly customized advanced system setup. Most growers usually set up 2 tents for perpetual harvest. But to be honest, the only way mine stands out is because the lung room has normally doesn't really have anything in it. So mine, I have a photo period in her, and that one's 32 weeks old right now. So that's why mine stands out different than other people's. And the airflow capacity in this whole tent, I've got 1 oscillating fan there, 1 oscillating fan there, 1 up there, and also 1 in the corner right here. So all that amount of airflow FM is equivalent of 2,800 CFM, or sorry, 2,600, sorry. And that's sucking the air from this tent the flower tent, sucking it in to the larger tent, and then exhausting it all out. Don't be shy to like, subscribe, and comment. And this is not sponsored. Peace out, Gromies.